Alright guys, so today I bring you a whole different type of video. I noticed y'all like the videos that have something to do with my car. So upgrading, modding my car. So today I am excited. It finally arrived. I got a new hood for my car. I'm gonna show y'all why I got a new hood, and let's get straight to it. Go ahead and show them what we got. I got a cameraman today, so hopefully I can bring y'all some better footage. But that's what we got. And can y'all drop a comment down below what type of hood y'all think I got. This is gonna be uploaded on YouTube first. But let's go show them why I'm getting a new hood. So one of the main reasons is that this old hood here, the fiberglass is starting to show on it. So if you see all that, it's real rough. And it's starting to show in these areas. I used to have a custom stripe right here, and as you can see, it didn't do it right there for some reason. But this hood is gonna be for sale. Let me open the hood to show you how it looks underneath. If you're in the area, really trying to find a local seller, but if you're in the area, it's definitely gonna be for sale. I'm not gonna be asking a lot for it, but I'll show them underneath the hood. So that's how it looks underneath the hood. It has these little vents. I painted these silver. You could paint them. It's a really good hood. It will come with this, because I think the new one comes with it. And you're probably gonna need your hood support mounts. But other than that, it's in solid condition. It just needs to be sanded down. You know somebody that can do. I have a guy that can do it. He's charging me like $450 to sand it down, paint it. So if you're interested, well, he's charging me $450 plus the price of the hood. So just let me know in the comment section down below if you're interested. But yeah, let's get to it, and let's go open up this box so y'all can see what I got. And y'all can tell me. So we're unboxing it. Y'all see the thumbnail? Unboxing this. I already opened it, so it was nice and sealed from all the areas. But let's get straight to it, man. Roll that way, and let's see what we got. It was nice and covered. It had a little strap, but let's get to it. Oh, so this is the Viper Hornet Chrysler 300 hood. It was nice and wrapped. It has wood underneath it. The corners are protected. I already checked all that. Overall, the packaging was good. All the corners are good, but let me give y'all a better view of the actual hood. So this is a molding. It just needs a little touch up by whoever's gonna paint it. You see it has the indentions. But what y'all think, man? It came with this right here, which I'm not too concerned about that. It's gonna get painted anyways. But overall, everything else looks legit. So to remove the old hood, you're just gonna have to remove these 14s real easy. You got 2 here and you got 2 over there. And then once you got that off, you can remove the hood. So here it is, guys. If you're interested, it is for sale. Y'all better look at it. This is where I had that stripe, where the fiberglass is showing. You can see it pretty good on camera. But it is definitely fixable. I'm not gonna be asking for too much, but I am gonna be trying to get some money out of it. Let me show y'all what the beast looks like with no hood. What y'all think? Should I ride like that for a little bit? Hey, So these are probably gonna be it. And then it came with this. This is for the airflow. I think I'm gonna have to remove this, to be honest with you. And it came with this piece here. So in case you're wondering if you need new one of these, you're not gonna need it. So overall, I would say the packaging, it was packed pretty good.
It's not focusing. It's focusing on your hand.
That's the thing about that. So this side paint looks good. Edges look good. So one thing I noticed about this one is it has, you got it? Yeah. It has a hard molding there. This is where the indentions are over here. So whenever you put it there, I'm thinking for water, you know, I think I'm gonna have to remove this. This is where it breathes in. So that your intake runs through here, breathes in right here. So all the vents, so you can get better airflow. So after our first attempt, we're real close here to the groove line. We're too far up here. And then this side is showing too much. So we're gonna slide it this way a little bit. So y'all see I removed that box. So that box is basically so you can get better airflow through here. So you got the intake right here. Vents right there. Airflow there. So overall, it's gonna get better airflow. So here it is, guys. What y'all think? After it's been wrapped in matte black, what y'all think? What y'all think about it?